Hey guys, have you ever wondered why your swatch palette winds up empty for some unknown reason in Illustrator? I see this happen with my students every once in a while. They'll be working on an image file and they'll be like, "Hey, what happened to my swatches?" So let me share with you what that means and why that happens. So, a lot of times you'll be working on your desktop, you'll be preparing some artwork in Illustrator, and you have an image. Maybe it's a scan, maybe it's a screenshot, it's something that you're going to convert into a vector. And you open it in Illustrator, and then suddenly all of your palettes are empty. Let me show you what I mean. If I go to the File menu and I click on Open, and then I select an image file and I open it, say, OK, here I have that image open in Illustrator. And then I go to work on it and to do something. And looky there, the swatches are empty. There's nothing in the swatch palette. Some of my other tools may also be empty, and my other palettes may not look like they normally do. And so you're asking yourself, what's going on? Well, the problem is you've opened an image file inside Illustrator. Illustrator, Illustrator is not Photoshop, right? It's not an image editor. So when you open that image, there is no data inside that image file that relates to Illustrator. So your swatches and brushes and other things appear empty. So the proper way to work with an image in Illustrator and to retain all your settings and to retain your swatches and so on is to actually start with a blank page and then to place that image on your Illustrator file. So you can either, drag and drop that image in there, or you can go to the file menu and you can say place instead of open. So if I select place and I go back and I grab that image and I say place, plop, I drop it on my page, and then look, my swatches look like my previous files. My other folders and things also retain their same original settings, and everyone's happy. All right, so that's a little tip to help you out when working with images. Remember, Illustrator does not natively work with images, so you have to start with a blank Illustrator page first, set up your artboard, and then drop your image onto it. All right?